First, I have to fix the CV boot. So this was kind of a struggle bus, but it is a 24mm 12-point socket for the axle bolt here. So now that I cracked that loose, wedged a screwdriver in the rotor to hold it as you torque up. That's nice and loose. Gonna pound that. Oh, it's actually basically free because it's like a brand new car. So we are going to probably have to, let's see here, to give myself some clearance, I'm probably gonna have to loosen the strut from the upright, lower the arm out, pop this out of the hub, and then pull the axle shaft out of the transmission. And we'll be able to get that boot. All right, removed the 10mm that was attaching the rad height sensor to the lower control arm. Get that out of the way because we're going to be dropping this strut. This is a, I don't know, 14mm triple square for the upright. And then I think it's a 13. So it's a 14mm triple square here and then an 18mm nut holding the strut in. So we'll get that bolt out, do a shock spreader, pull the arm out, and then we should be able to get the axle out. We'll get a shock spreader in there. And then get a read. It just drops down like so. Sure to get a jack under it before you do what I just did. It usually never comes. Jack stands at a higher spot. So good? Literally, I took this strut out and that whole assembly fell and I was like standing there like I don't know how I'm going to do any of this by myself.
Where's Dan today?
Okay, so that is clear. Oh, it has started to move. Really close. All right.
What are you doing?
It's probably gonna like fall over here.
Oh, I think you got it.
Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Charge pipe is in the way. You've gotta be kidding me.
Well,
I think I know how the boot got up. Alright folks, we're just a CV axle away from getting this thing back together. I got a new boot on. FYI, the passenger side is different than the driver's side inner boot. So those part numbers I will insert here.
gotta get that money shot.
Hold up, gee, hold up. Okay, in order to get this CV axle out, I had to clear the charge pipe, so I loosened the upper mounting bracket. It's like a T or a triple square something or other. But my triple square frickin' is really long and doesn't really get in here very well. So it was a combination of using a universal as well as just a pliers on the end of this once it got out of there a little further. Then there's a T30 on the lower bracket of the charge pipe that's also next to impossible to get. Right up in here by the serpentine belt. Was kind of a fiasco because the guy didn't check that there was a left and a right. I got the left and I needed a right. So that was fun. So in order to get this lower bracket, I'm literally using a T30 bit and a 1/4-inch wrench. I'm sure there's a better method for this, but this is, you know, you gotta work with what you have sometimes. Work with what you get, you know. Alright, charge pipe is tight. CV axle's in the transmission. Gotta push it through the wheel bearing.
Is this actually iced tea?
No. I need you to hold this. That is ridiculous. Oh my god, that is so dumb.
You're so giddy.
Well, back to the drawing board.